Okay, so we're at the Central World Plaza shopping mall. I came across this very interesting restaurant that I think my dad would appreciate. Self-serve sushi, all different kinds. Very interesting. No idea what that's like. But it looks tasty. But the best part is, if you look in the background, between the booths, it has this sort of rotating conveyor belt of different dishes that you just grab and just pick off whatever it is that you want. Fascinating. Wow, that is pretty cool. Rotating. Let's get an idea of what you can get here. Sliced beef, tender beef, pig's liver. Tasty. Line out the door. It's a beautiful place though. Outside. Yeah, I love that conveyor belt idea. Recognize a couple things in there. Refreshing. Smile, dude. I don't even want to know what that is. Swenson's. There's some kind of dance competition or something going on downstairs. Hey, I see Waldo down at the bottom of the stairs. Guess we found him. Alright, we're gonna try to move and get a better look at what's going on down there. This is kind of a cool place. I had to come get my phone unlocked so I could actually, you know, make phone calls. What's going on down there? Yeah. Whoa! It's like a game show. Fascinating. Wowee coffee. annual sale. Yay! It's a long way down. No way. Check this out. They have a Sizzler here. I wonder if it comes with the cheese toast. Let's see how much a Sizzler costs. Barbecue chopped steak. Peppery spicy chicken. 259 baht. A little over $8. Complete with salad bar. Wouldn't be a Sizzler without a salad bar, would it? I don't see any cheese toast here. Wow. Yeah, I don't see any cheese toast. I see a lot of burgers. Steak, seafood, salad, Sizzler. It's pretty quiet, but then again it is about 3 o'clock on a Friday afternoon. As you can see, it's a mall just like any other. Ooh, secret recipe. Halfway surprised they don't have a 7-Eleven inside the mall here. Do you have a Pizza Hut though? Oh, wait a minute, what do we have over here? Oh, I think we're coming up to the movie complex. Wow, that air conditioning feels great. Ooh, Pizza Hut. Get a lot of fake smiles, get a lot of real smiles. Just piles of who the heck knows what. This might be seaweed, I don't know. It's a big food court they have here. I'll just walk up this way. Yep, just like any other shopping mall. Where you buy your tickets. There's also a box office. They have their own radio station here. X Studio 99. Tripping me out. Doesn't look like there's anybody at the mic right now though. We even have lockers because everybody has bags. Let's see what movies they have playing. สวัสดีค่ะสำหรับท่านที่ดูบัตรชมภาพยนตร์เรื่องหรือวูล์ฟเวอรีนช่วงเวลา 15:15 น.โรงภาพยนตร์ที่ 6 ในระบบเสียงภาษาไทย national sport of soccer. Magic Man. Ooh. What would a mall in Thailand be without Thai massage? Relaxation. Doesn't look too busy though. But it is Friday, so maybe, you know, before the movie, somebody will want to do that. Holy chocolate fountain. And again, we're passing by some stand with a bunch of stuff, and I have no idea what it is. It's a lot of dried something. Interesting odor. Black Canyon Coffee. Another look here. Hey, Dairy Queen. Oh. Yep, almost like home. Wow, look how excited these guys are. Oh my gosh, 200 baht. 300 baht for these two pizzas. $10 for two. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy talk. Yes. Smile! Hello! Okay. See, people are so friendly around here. Well, this is really just to give you an idea of what the major shopping mall is like here in Chiang Mai. Robinson, I wonder, no, couldn't be. I still have yet to find a store that sells English-speaking books. But that's not to be